Today, we're breaking down 4 common engine misfire codes: P0301, P0302, P0303, and P0304. These codes indicate a misfire in cylinders 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'll show you what they mean, the symptoms, the causes, how to diagnose them, and how to fix them quickly. P03. 01 is cylinder 1, misfire. P03. 02 is cylinder 2, misfire. P03. 03 is cylinder 3, misfire. P03. 04 is cylinder 4, misfire. These codes point to a specific cylinder, making troubleshooting more straightforward than P0300. You'll feel rough idle, shaking, hesitation, loss of power, poor fuel economy, and possibly a blinking check engine light. The engine runs unevenly because one cylinder isn't firing properly. The usual causes include a worn spark plug, a failing ignition coil, clogged fuel injector, vacuum leak near that cylinder, low compression, timing issues, lean fuel trims affecting combustion. To diagnose these codes, 1. Swap the ignition coil with a different cylinder and see if the code moves. 2. Check spark plugs for wear or damage. 3. Swap or test the fuel injector. 4. Inspect vacuum hoses near the intake manifold. 5. If still unresolved, perform a compression test. The most effective fixes are replacing the spark plug, replacing the ignition coil, cleaning or replacing the fuel injector, repairing vacuum leaks, cleaning the MAF sensor, fixing compression or timing issues if needed. Start with the simplest and cheapest parts first. And that's how you diagnose and repair misfires for P0301, P0302, P0303, and P0304. If you found this guide useful, like the video and subscribe for more misfire code explanations. Comment your car model and I'll help you with detailed troubleshooting.